Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions here in Wichita, Kansas. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Chevy Traverse. This is a brand new rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can pop the door here. This conversion can be operated with just 2 fingers. I can operate the entire conversion, just pinch here, flip it up, it's got a handle here. This is a great design, it keeps this ramp from rattling. A lot of the other designs, those ramps will rattle quite a bit, so this is a very good design. You can see it folds to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. It does taper to 32 at the base here, which is still wider than the side entry, so a lot more room. Got 8 tie down points, so you can fit up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Very clean interior. Headliner looks great. Super clean vehicle. Between the second row of seats I have about 25.5 inches of room. So your wheelchair most wheelchairs will roll right up in between there. If they won't, your legs can sit in between there, the bottom slightly behind it. Super clean, got your rear air controls, your plugs for your electronics down there. This vehicle is darn near brand new condition, very clean. Got your steering wheel controls, your backup camera, dual climate controls, got the rear air, plenty of cup holders, nice center console there. We do give a free set of pull-tight, Q-straight tie-downs away with each van. It does come with a free set of tie-downs. And then you've got everybody secure. Come back out. Grab the ramp here, look, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. It also has the electric door there. I forgot to mention that to you when I opened it. That's a nice option to have. Quick walk around. Got tinted windows in the rear. Got a roof rack. Everything looks good up on the roof. Rear tires, they're all Bridgestone. Rear tires are between 9 and 10 30-seconds, so like new. Front tires are between 8 and 9. Still a whole lot of tread left on them. Very clean vehicle. I don't see any dents in the body. Expect normal wear, a few small, tiny scratches. I don't even think the camera would pick them up, but a beautiful SUV. Very well taken care of. I'll show you the Carfax here in just a minute. But it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this thing. Got this beautiful rare color red alloy wheels. This is the LT trim package. We got our keyless entry, the remote start, got the trunk hatch there. The interior is very clean. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. And speaking of that VIN number, we give a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. Shows no accident or damage, 1 owner, 6 service records. It's a personal leased vehicle, so Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They guarantee no total loss, no structural damage, no airbag deployment. Odometer checks out good, never been in an accident, no open recalls. Shows the original 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. Runs out, it's already ran out, so no longer the bumper to bumper, but still has the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So check out that Carfax, but no one goes the extra mile like we do to show you exactly what you're getting. Alright, back to the video. Got our auto start. Okay, back to the vehicle. Got the power trunk latch like I mentioned to you. Wanted to show you that works fine. Get back to the rest of the interior. Keyless entry. It's got 1 key. If you want us to get a second key on your dime, you can sure do that. Power seat, like I said. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this vehicle. But your steering wheel controls, can voice connect from the steering wheel, Bluetooth, backup camera, dual climate control. I already told you all this stuff. Got the heated seats, so probably not going to need those anytime soon, but they're sure nice to have when you need them. Super clean interior, got plugs in the rear. Let's shut that trunk back down. And it's got the keyless entry, and as far as this can be in your pocket, this can be in your purse, get in. Push start, fires right up. No check engine lights, no airbag lights. We're going to replace the key in this, the battery in this key. It just came on, so we'll replace that battery. 17,166 miles. I think you can get navigation if you call OnStar, so I believe it comes equipped with the ability to do it. Backup camera, got all your garage control, OnStar up there as well. And you know, we've not only checked the big things, we've checked the small things. Got 3 mechanics that work for me. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. I don't just assume, because this is a low mileage vehicle, I don't just assume that everything runs and drives like it should. We push all the buttons. We show you everything there is to show you about the vehicle. Let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, got the V6 engine, plenty of power. For accelerating, passing, everything looks great under here. I don't see any signs of any damage. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of water damage. Got the emission sticker right there. As I crawl underneath, much of the same. Air conditioner's dripping. That's the way it should be. Everything looks great. I don't see any signs of rust or bent metal or signs of a flood or anything like that. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it only has, you know, because it has low miles, because it's fairly new. They assume because it looks good in pictures, or because the salesman's nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. Nothing could be further from the truth. Do not assume things. Demand a detailed video. Look how clean that is. It's not some vehicle we bought from Chicago or New York that's all rusted out, that I saved a lot of money on, and then just tried to sell it to you. And go look at our competition. Go look at their website right now. I am sending you to the competition's website. I bet they won't send you to mine. Go look at their pictures. Do they have any pictures of the undercarriage of their vehicles? Why don't they? Are they rusted out, or are they just too lazy to give you the full spectrum? Do they have Carfax reports? Do they have detailed videos? My point is, nobody in the country goes as far as we do to show you exactly what you're getting. Dozens of pictures, Carfax reports, detailed videos. We've got a great reputation. On Google, I saw we had a 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. Last I saw on eBay, we had 817 feedback. Everyone left us positive feedback. If you think all dealers are the same, if you think all sellers are the same, if you think a lower price, which you're not going to find one, but if you think lower price always means better, yeah, you better get a detailed video like this. And if the vehicle shows up and it wasn't what you bargained for, it wasn't what you thought, and you didn't demand a detailed video, don't call the person you bought it from. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, yeah, Jeremiah was right. I should have gotten a detailed video. I should not have sent someone $40,000 or $50,000 without a detailed video. So let me get the vehicle out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Traverse home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight, very nicely aligned, drives nice and straight down the highway. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I can't promise what they're going to do tomorrow, although it's in amazing shape. But I always recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to like 8 years. So talk to me about those. Let me know how we can help, protect your investment. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call Mobility Works or United Access or Freedom Motors or Big Braun or VMI Corporation. I want you to ask and say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Try it. Find out. Get the question answered for yourself. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Let me know how that works out for you. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then they try to sneak in an administrative fee and a document fee and a tag fee. And next thing you know, your fees are $1,000, $1,500. And then you got to factor in shipping, and that real nice price online now is about $3,000 more than you thought. And they don't have a Carfax report, and they don't have a detailed video, and you're just throwing your money out there taking a gamble. I don't gamble with my money, and I don't do business with people that aren't honest about the price. If the price says $40,000, the price needs to be $40,000, plus sales tax, obviously. Uncle Sam's always got to get his cut. But that's the real deal. If you're not going to be honest with me about the price, about the upfront price, then I'm not doing business with you. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So back to what I was saying, if you want to do business with people that are being deceitful about the real price, ooh, that's up to you. Especially people off the internet you've never met or never seen. Okay, good luck. Let me know how that works out for you. Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding a flood? Are they hiding a salvage title? I don't know, but I just know if someone's not being upfront with me, there's probably some more they're hiding on the back end. But if you do want to see our entire inventory, hey, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Like I said, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, detailed videos. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email. Or hey, if you're old school, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll take an application over the phone with you. That's okay. I know everybody's not real good with computers, and that's just fine. We're here to help. We do take trade-ins, so talk to me about how that works. And I just wanted to say thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today. Hey, real quick, I forgot to show you one of the great features on this vehicle. It's got the lane departure warning. You can see the little star up there. I'll see if I can get someone to come in my blind spot here. See that yellow light came on when that car came in my blind spot, so I forgot to show that to you, but that is very important, a super big safety feature. See, they got it on over there too. So if you got someone in your blind spot, those blind spot monitors are great to have. So sorry I forgot that in the original video, but we'll tack it on and show it to you. Thanks for checking us out.